Hey guys, this is Brendan with Gone Mobile Vans. We're here in our new shop in Costa Mesa, California. I'd love to give you a tour of the shop and let you have a chance to meet the crew. Let's get into it. All right guys, so here we are in our entranceway to our new shop. We've got more storage, more office space as well. This is our main lobby area. So we got some seating for clients, we've got some photos of some of our cool vans we built. We'll meet here with clients and so they can look out into the shop, and as we're discussing their build, got some drinks and a TV for showing some different items when we need to, or some videos highlighting what we can do. And then over here is my office and my wife. So she's the main point of contact for most of our clients. This is Brooke. She handles all of our inbound clients, keeping me on the straight and narrow, things like that. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do and all that?
Yeah, hi, I'm Brooke. So in addition to being his wife, I handle all client communications. So as soon as you sign on and you're ready to build, I provide weekly updates, communicate with you via email, via phone, and that takes a lot of my time. I guess interesting fact about myself is before Brendan started this company, I owned all the tools in the family.
That's true.
It's so true.
All right guys, let's take a look at the shop. Here we are in our new shop. So this is a huge improvement over where we were. So my very first location, which I've shown a shop tour video of that, when we first moved in, it was 1,400 square feet. So it was essentially 2 front offices, about half of this, up to a yellow post over there, and that's it. That's all we had. We built, close to 20 vans a year out of there. And then we expanded into the shop to double it. So we took over half the size again from our neighbor, and so we went to 2,800 square feet. And we delivered 35 vans out of that shop last year, and while moving as well for 3 or 4 weeks into this new location. So pretty exciting. And so now we're at 5,800 square feet. So it's more than double again. It provides us so much more breathing room, so much more ability to have more of a production flow, dedicated areas for different work cases in the vans. And we can also have up to 7 vans inside the shop at once, whereas we were lucky if we had 1 or 2 in the shop at our old location. So super exciting. And let me introduce you to my brother, who handles most of our electronic stuff. All right, so this is my brother Steven. He's been working with me now for I think 3 years. I used to work for him when I was 18, 19. I used to get my hands wet, get quite dirty building things. General contractor, so tons of experience over the years. He's been instrumental in helping us grow, and he's been mainly in charge of our power systems and coming up with one-off solutions for some of our challenges. So why don't you share a little bit about what else you do and give us a fun fact about yourself, Stephen.
So I spend most of my time trying to keep him stable from losing his mind.
Yeah, that's true.
But the normal day is I'm doing the power systems, fixing the electrical, any problem solving that has to happen in the shop. That's usually what I'm doing.
Yeah. And let's see, a fun fact about yourself. He's a New Year's Day baby, and he just turned 85.
I'm only 40. What are you talking about?
All right, guys, that was Steven. Now on to the next guy. This is Luke. Hey, Luke, come on down, man. So Luke's been with us for maybe 2 years now, I think.
Yeah.
Came from a local coffee shop, so his skills at pouring espressos have translated to high quality interior work. Luke handles basically all from head height up in our van. So he's taking care of all the upper cabinetry, wall panels, upholstery, our finished ceiling, which is custom to us, and the foam blobs, etc. So a huge asset, basically takes care of all the finish work. It really is one responsible for making the van look fantastic. So Luke, why don't you maybe show us a little bit of what you're doing, and then a little fun fact about yourself maybe.
Yeah, for sure. So currently today I'm just putting in this L-track for the brace kit.
Yep.
And then I usually do ceiling panels, and I'll lay the gator step over top of these. And yeah, a lot of the other finished, I guess, upholstery, things like that.
Yep. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go over to the next section of the shop. This is our wall panel creation, fabrication, upholstery. I'd like to introduce you guys to Trent. Trent has been here about 7 months. He handles all of our upholstery. He's our human CNC machine, cutting wall panels by hand from templates, but doing all the nice fit and finish upholstery and flare trim ring, etc. So Trent, take it away, man. Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do here.
Yeah, so this is kind of my zone here with upholstery. Right now I'm just actually upholstering some trim rings that we install through the panels. We kind of have a whole little panel set up here. We basically just use the same table, cut all the panels here by hand, and then usually we get them in the van, trim rings, flares, all kind of in the same install. So I kind of handle all that production. But yeah, this is my zone here. And yeah, I've been here for probably a little about half a year now.
Yep.
So Brandon's been awesome to us. The staff here is, my friends, so it's nice to have these good guys around. And
it's a fun vibe around here. These guys all get along, they all know each other and hang out after work as well, which is super important just for our sort of culture and stuff like that. And what did you do before we found you?
Yeah, so I worked at a surf shop before I was brought in here, so leveled up for sure. So.
Right on. All right, so we just finished up with Trent and our wall panels. Let's go talk with Fisher now. Fisher handles all sorts of stuff for us. You guys have met Fisher before. He's been here, it's my second longest employee behind Roy. So been here 2.5 years or so. Wow. Yep, so Fisher typically handles some of our big installation stuff like the S-bar heaters, handling some wires and solars and light bars and electronics for exterior lighting. Right now he's working on a headliner shelf install, and yeah, Shara, what else you might work on for us?
Yeah, I think kind of a task that I've done for a while now is all of the roof rack and kind of all of its components. Looking at the exterior lights, the awning, kind of the solar that goes up there, and making sure that, Starlink and making sure everything fits. As Brendan mentioned, kind of a big task is the heater and all of those components to make sure that they're installed and working correctly.
Yeah, the heater is really almost an all-day project when we have to do these things. It's pretty labor-intensive. Seats get removed, fuel tanks get dropped, lines get run everywhere, power and stuff like that. So he's taken on that task and does an awesome job and has really become the expert in it, which is fantastic.
I'll add to that. We've been slowly kind of improving the way we've installed it, using AVC rigs, manifold cover, and kind of small little ways, making improvements on kind of a product that can be kind of funky and how it gets installed and where it places, but we're really happy with where it's at now.
Yeah. And so what were you doing before you came here, and a little fun fact about yourself?
Before this, I was doing finished carpentry in Santa Barbara, just trimming out homes up there. Fun fact, my parents named me after a French beer. But you don't have to go and try it because sadly it doesn't taste too good.
That's unfortunate. All right guys, so now we're gonna go head to our pre-production area. So this area of the van, this is where the first stop of the vans come in. We handle all of insulation, sound deadening, poles get cut in vans, AC units, subfloors, finished floors, insulation, all the rough electrical, all that stuff gets handled in this spot in our pre-production slot before it moves into one of our full production slots. I got 2 guys working in this position. We've got Jack here and we got Fabricio, and come on down, Fabricio. So both of these guys are new-ish, I suppose. Fabricio's been here maybe 7, 8 months? 8 months, yeah. 8 months. Jack got hired really about a month ago. So they're both working on our pre-production stuff, which is a key component to our build. So these guys are the first ones to touch the vans, and they do all the scary stuff like cutting holes in vans, etc. So Fabricio, why don't you tell us, what you're doing a little bit, what you're doing before you got here, and a little fun fact about yourself.
All right. Right now we're doing the subfloor. We placing the pieces of the subfloor and tracing them, make sure they are aligned and on the right place. so we can place the glue and the foam. I used to be a mechanic, like cars and motorcycles. A fun fact about me, I don't know.
You ride motorcycles, you can do wheelies.
Yeah, I mean, I used to stunt ride, yeah.
Yeah, surf and skate.
Yeah.
And all that good stuff.
Cool.
Right on. And Jack, tell us a little bit about yourself, man.
Yeah, I'm Jack. I used to work residential construction and you know, building as a framer, framing houses. And in my free time, I help out on a equestrian ranch, a horse ranch out in Temecula.
So yeah, both of these guys are super key to our process. Like I said, they handle all the important stuff. They touch the vans first, roof racks, AC units, fans, etc. So these guys set the pace for how our whole production process works, and they set everybody up for success. So really key guys in our process. So after we leave the pre-production area, the vans come over here to our more production-oriented slot, final production. We got Roy in here, and Roy is my oldest employee, not oldest in age, but longest employed person here. So yeah, he handles all of our plumbing systems, etc. So Roy, let us show us what you're working on and tell us a little about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Roy. I grew up in Huntington Beach, California, and yeah, studied engineering for a couple years, but then became a plumber in residential houses and whatnot, and got a job here, and now I'm doing all the plumbing systems for Gone Mobile vans. And this is a pretty unique situation here. We had to solve an issue because this is a dually, and this tank is kind of the only one that fits in this compartment area. And right now I'm having to strap it down to make sure it doesn't move when you're operating the vehicle. Because this could turn into, I mean, when it's full of water, it'll be around 200 pounds, so.
Yeah. So Roy, how long does it take start to finish on one of our vans? I suppose if you get a van, start with the plumbing, how long does it take for to do, you know, water tank, shower, water heater, sink, and stuff like that?
Yeah, it could take, I would say at most 2 weeks, around, yeah, week and a half.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of things to do, a lot of minor tasks to take care of, and
yeah. So, we use all like household plumbing, PEX and valves, etc. And so there's just a lot of parts. Roy has more parts that he's got to manage than any other position in this shop. So there's just a lot of things going on, and stuff like this, different kind of van, different setup, requires different tank, different location for pumps. So he's always having to problem solve. He does a great job at it. His mental acuity comes from his 9,000 grams of protein a day. Yes. Any other fun facts about yourself, Roy?
I've already consumed 8 eggs today, and it's around, I think it's like almost 4 o'clock. So I'll probably have 4 more before bed. And I love lifting heavy weights, and I love surfing as well.
Just give us a little flex.
Nice. All right, guys, so that's it for the plumbing. Now, our last employee and our newest employee is my daughter, Era. So, Era is working here with us. So Era's been doing plumbing with Roy. She's been sort of apprenticing with Roy lately and learning plumbing. She goes to OCC College, where she's in the Marine Life Sciences program. So she's always working on the aquariums and the tanks, plumbing systems. So she's been honing her skills here on plumbing for some of these vans, and she's been running a little bit of our reels and stuff like that. So why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, what you've been doing before you got here, and your funnest fact about yourself.
My funnest fact.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of different things. I've trained dogs for the last 7+ years. Like he said, I am in the marine biology program, in the aquarium program at OCC. So I actually do a lot of plumbing there, a lot of life support there. So a lot of those skills are transferable here, which is exciting. So that's been super cool. My funnest fact, I can pour a great pint with both my right and my left hand. Yeah.
And that makes her dad awfully proud as well. So yeah, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along on this tour of our shop and a Meet the Crew video. We're super excited about our new location. We got so much more room for, better setup of our production facility, more room for vans. It makes us do better jobs for our clients. We're really excited to be working with all these folks. I got a bunch of really great guys and girls working for me, working with me, I should say. I really enjoy it. We love our new shop. If you guys are interested in coming to see this place in person, please reach out. We always have folks coming on by. You want a van like any of these ones that we're building, please reach out. I got lines on chassis. We got more capacity to build some more vans. Sure hope to see you on the next video.